Are you getting a warning message that your Gmail storage is almost full? Then in this video today, I will show you how to clean up Gmail storage within 60 seconds so that you don't need to pay a single money for extra storage. Open the Gmail app, tap on this menu here and select all inboxes. Tap on this search in mail box, and then at first you have to type unsubscribe here in this search box. This will show you all the emails to which you have subscribed. So you can do two things. You can open the email and then select unsubscribe and then unsubscribe. So do this one if you don't need the subscription. The next thing that you can do is you can tap and hold one of the email and then select this option, select all. After that, select delete. Again, tap and hold the email. Tap on this select all and then delete. So you go on deleting all those emails which you don't need. Now the next thing that you can do is in this search box we will type another criteria here, category colon promotions space older underscore then colon 1 year. So this will show you all the promotional emails which is older than a year. Instead of 1 year you can type here 2 years, 3 year, etc. So I will select it and this will show me all the promotional emails that I have received before a year. Same thing I will do. I will tap and hold on one of the email, then I will tap on this select all and then delete. So again I will tap and hold on one of the email, tap on select all and then delete. So you can go on deleting all the promotional emails. The other thing that you can do is you can tap in the search box again and then we have to type another criteria larger colon and then select either 5 MB, 10 MB, whatever you like. So this will show you all the emails which has attachment or which is larger than 5 MB. So these are the emails. So what you can do is if you don't need it, just tap and hold and then delete. If you want to delete all, tap and hold, tap on select all and then delete. So in this way you can delete emails which are larger in size. Now one more thing, most of us what we miss is it's not only the Gmail but it is Google Photos and Google Drive which is actually taking more space of Gmail. So what you do is install Google One application from the Play Store and after that open Google One and this will show you how much of space is left. Now there is an option here, clean up, tap on it and here you can see what is taking up more space. If you see photos and videos are taking more space, open it and this will show you video according to their size. So this is 1.79 gigabyte, select it and then delete. So you can keep on deleting those videos which you don't need. After that, go back, you can go to large drive files and from here also you can select those files which you don't need and then delete. Similarly, go back and you can go inside these emails with large attachment or spam emails and then you can delete those emails. So in this way you will be able to free up space in your Gmail. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.